It has never been easier to invest. Open the Tero Fund website. If you already have your account in the Syntera.io ecosystem, just log in using your username and password. If not, you must register a new account. In the Wallet section, click on the Deposit button. Copy the address to the service or website from where you will transfer your money. To invest your funds, go to the Tero Program section. Then input the number of money in SSC coins and press the Invest button. There you can also see the period of your investment. Total money is USDH in the current exchange rate and your income in perceps. For reinvesting purposes, simply come back to the Wallet section and press Reinvest USDH button. Then enter an amount of money you would like to reinvest and confirm the transaction. Your profits will be in the internal currency of USDH fund. Press Convert to SSC button to convert. Enter the amount you want and confirm it by pressing the Confirm button. To make a withdrawal, press the Withdraw button, then enter the recipient address. Enter an amount of money and confirm transaction. Tero Fund. We invest, you earn. From the creators of Syntera Sharing Coin.